Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Today we're addressing a common issue with the Lenovo Legion 5. It won't turn on due to a PCH short circuit, specifically with the 3VCC line. Let's dive into the steps to diagnose and potentially fix this problem. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Begin by powering down the laptop completely and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will help prevent any electrical shorts while you work. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws organized, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Look for the PCH, which is typically located near the CPU. Inspect the area for any visible signs of damage or burnt components. If you notice any debris or dust, use compressed air to clean the area thoroughly. Now let's check the 3VCC line. Using a multimeter, set it to the DC voltage setting. Carefully probe the 3VCC line to see if it's receiving power. If there's no voltage, this could indicate a short circuit. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. If you find that the PCH is indeed shorted, you may need to replace it. This is a delicate process that requires soldering skills. If you're not comfortable with this, consider our services where we can handle the repair for you. We provide collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Before proceeding with any repairs, it's wise to get a quote before repair. This way, you'll know the costs involved and can make an informed decision. If you decide to continue, carefully desolder the faulty PCH using a soldering iron. Make sure to clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove any residual solder. Once the old PCH is removed, place the new one in position and solder it in place, ensuring all connections are secure. After replacing the PCH, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps taken to open it. Replace the back panel and screws, ensuring everything is tightly secured. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on the laptop. If it powers up successfully, congratulations, you've resolved the issue. If not, it may be time to seek professional help. Remember, with our services, there are no calls, no travel, and we make the process as seamless as possible. In summary, diagnosing a Lenovo Legion 5 that won't turn on due to a PCH short circuit involves careful inspection, testing, and potentially replacing components. Always prioritize safety and consider professional assistance if needed. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.